Good morning, Flomaton High School. This is Asia McMorris with a few words of wisdom. Every day we make many choices. Some choices are very small, like deciding whether or not to take chocolate ice cream or vanilla ice cream. Some are very big, like deciding whether to do the right thing or not. Now listen to what America's statesman William Jennings Bryan once said. Destiny is not a matter of chance, it is a matter of choice. Our destiny is basically our destination in life. Where we are headed, Mr. Bryan is saying that our choices determine our final destination. They determine the outcome of our lives. If you want to create a successful and happy future, pause for a moment today and ask yourself this: are my choices taking me in the right direction? With something to think about, this is Asia McMorris. Make it a great day or not, the choice is yours. Basketball teams will play at Evergreen tomorrow against Hillcrest. Tip-off is set for 4:30 p.m. It is not too early for juniors to be thinking about college and scholarships. We have two opportunities for juniors. The Coolidge Scholarship is among the most generous college scholarships, a full ride that covers tuition, room, board, and expenses to any college. Any junior may apply. Academic excellence is the primary criteria. The successful candidate will also demonstrate humility and service to the community. Since 1984, the Horatio Alger Association has awarded scholarships to deserving students who have financial needs. Juniors who are interested in applying for the Horatio Alger Scholarship or the Coolidge Scholarship, please see Ms. Ross for more information.